today I'm going to show you how to draw a super easy snowman. So what you're going to need is something to draw with, and something to go with is optional, and a piece of paper or something to draw on. So first I'm going to draw a circle for the head. Okay, and now I'm going to draw it like the exact same circle but a little bigger, attached to the head. And then I'm going to do the same thing, make it even bigger. And here we go. Here's the basic snowman base. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the buttons. You can draw as many as you want. I'm going to draw like 4. Just like some small, easy small circles, and you color the circles in. That's how it looks. And now let's do the face. We're going to do 2 circles like this. We're going to color these circles in. That's how Snowman's eyes are. Okay, I'm done, and now I'm going to use a pen for this next step. I got my pen, and I'm going to draw a upside down tall triangle for the nose, in between, a little below, right like this. Here is the nose. Now I'm going to draw a smile. Smile. Just you just need to make some dots that make up like a smile. Like this, and the snowman's face is done. And now let's draw the hat on his head, and I'm going to draw a scarf around his neck. Scarf around his neck. So what you're going to do is like a long triangle, like right here. Like that. And then we're going to do a square. Square or a triangle. I'm going to make the hat pretty tall, so it's going to be a triangle. Then we're going to color these in. Okay, I'm done coloring it in. This is how it looks. And now I'm going to do the scarf. This is how the scarf looks. And I'm basically done with like the accessories. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the arms. The arms are just going to be like lines. So for this arm, I'm going to do the line going up like this on the middle of the snow ball. And then the line, I'm going to do like 3 small lines like that. Super easy. And for the other side, I'm going to do it going down 3 tiny lines. Like this. This is how it looks. And our snowman is done. And now all we need to do is color it. Okay, I'm done coloring my snow, and this is how it looks. I barely needed any coloring. And now you're done. But I'm going to add one little detail. Around the snowman, to make snow, I'm going to just draw some small circles all around. Above the snowman and on the sides of the snowman, like this. Okay, I'm done drawing the snow. This is how it looks, and you're done. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.